what? Welcome to my life, I'm living today. Welcome to the time, trying to find a way to figure out what my purpose is, to figure out what do I do now. Have you ever stood on the precipice, wondered what to do? Have you ever sobbed? Have you ever stood on the precipice and wondered what do I do? Have you ever had to choose? You know why I'm having trouble? I don't want to be sad in every song. Even though I'm still going through some sadness. For sure. It just doesn't disappear. It's never far away. You know, you think about the people that you love who are gone every single day, and dozens of times a day. I don't want to be sad all the time, and that's not what my loved one would want for me. But I don't know exactly what to do or where to turn now. Where do I go? What do I do? Who do I know who can tell me? No one wants to tell anyone what to do, how to do it, or when to start. I feel in many ways parts of my life are over. I feel in some ways I'm stalled. You know how you used to stall an old car? You'd start going and it would just stall, and you'd try and get it going again, and it's not stuck, just stalled. How do you put that away? Where do you let it go? Who has the final say? And when will I know what to do with my life? How to turn this part of my life back to being useful to someone somehow. 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 I don't do do-overs. It's as it comes, that's how you get it. If you're there, if anybody's there. Thanks for listening, and thanks for encouragement. Thanks. Have a good night.